Yeah, you're not the mid. Yeah, you're not the.
They always thought I'm your ate.
I think it's funny.
Exactly, bro.
Si Aya.
I think you're more caring and understanding and relatable than most parents.
Thank you for always being there.
Thank you for always being there and helping us whenever we need help with something.
Like, even though it was hard, we
Wala.
still went there for the card distribution. Because
Uh-huh.
you are afraid that I may develop middle child syndrome.
You think you have middle child syndrome?
No, because I don't think my brain is big enough to comprehend.
Siya man dyan ang sa mga videos. What is it? Middle syndrome.
Mo, Jod, siya na pinakasikat niyo?
Yeah, you're not the mid. Yeah, you're not in the middle. Yeah, make us in the middle. And thank you for always being there for us, even though Isaiah and Mikael especially, they always keep fighting.
No.
So they're
We're the best.
they're kind of hard to handle sometimes among the WAP.
Kinda what?
Name
They
one
don't
time we
have to
fought.
handle
Name one time we fought.
Name 2 times.
Yesterday. And thank you for supporting our kuan. Like especially when what's it, the fashion thing?
One, Miss...
The
Mr.
beauty pageant.
Mr.
Beauty pageant.
When you join beauty pageant,
And then when I was there for
Cosplay.
the default.
the default.
Focus this, yeah?
The default and the
Yun yung
what was the other one again? The canvas painting. And it was like one of the most tiresome things, so I had to plan.
I know some of the kids they don't want their to involve their parents. This is for the three of you. They kinda feel maulaw sila pag nailang parents kay love. Hindi naman ko bata. So how about you? The three of you?
I don't know why I should be.
Some of the kids, they prefer not to involve their parents in activities kay, I don't know, maulaw sila. How about you? Do you prefer me to be there or do you want me to be low-key?
Honestly,
It
depends.
depends, but most of the time I don't really mind. Like you're getting help. Why should you be embarrassed about that?
How about people always ko like they always thought I'm your ate.
I think it's funny. It's funny. It's funny. So like,
Maybe because I'm so small.
it's funny and it makes it fun whenever it happens.
Yep.
Yung mo na ate,
Ano?
Christopher?
So I'll never get tired of it. To be
No,
honest, I'll never get tired of it.
I'm immune to that.
What's your favorite thing about me? And what's your least favorite thing about me? Okay, Saya, go.
My favorite thing about you is that you care and you're always there for us. Exactly, bro.
Not a favorite thing about you, but because I don't really have a favorite thing about you, but...
Whoa!
About me?
Wala ba?
Whoa!
About me?
Wala ba ako nakating? Off ako nakating.
Si Aya.
Ikaw, bored of that battle?
My favorite thing about you is that I think you're more caring and understanding and relatable than most parents. Especially because like most parents will be like way older than their kids. So like there's not really like connection or something.
The generation gap.
Generational gap, yeah. My least favorite thing is that we have to use the same computer.
Kaya kayo yung mga least favorite thing
I
about
know.
me.
I mean, I don't really have anything to like complain about aside from the computer.
Ikaw.
So, one of the most favorite things I like you that is one, supportive ka. And the thing I don't like, but it's kaya comment ka sa PC.
Your answer is invalid.
Oh, ako. Nako yung least favorite things about you. Si Mikael is very whiny. Irritates me sometimes.
Very much
Si
to that.
Aiki is very nonchalant and I don't know.
Wait, why?
My least favorite thing about Isaiah is I don't know.
No.
Yeah.
He doesn't go out of his comfort zone when he's outside.
He's a little airheaded.
Yeah.
He's very introvert outside and
I got an excuse for that.
swap.
If it's called a comfort zone, shouldn't you like to stay somewhere comfortable?
Like si Aiki, my favorite thing about him is pag sugoon, dili mo balibad. Like, at tuway mong mangod, pag palatukuan, do this and that, dili na siyang balibad.
Yeah, it's my responsibility.
Yeah. Si Mikael, ako ang most favorite thing about him is like he's very independent when it comes to his academics.
I'm very academic.
Isaiah, ako most favorite thing about him is masabayan ko niya like sa mga like kabuang, you know, mga mag-TikTok, mga challenges. He always, siya ang pinakadali na akong ma-convince to do it with me. He complains, yes, but he do it anyway, even though he complains.
That we've come a really long way from like when 2019 happened. That's still my least favorite year because of multiple reasons.
You only have 3,000 followers. I know people who have more followers.
Mang, I want you to imagine you're standing in front of a stage.
Yeah.
And I want you to imagine what 3,000 people looks like. That's a lot of people. Like genuinely, that's a lot of people.
Okay, you have a point, so yeah.
Thank you for everyone who, like, not like just the ones that commented, just the ones that give us stuff, like, to everybody who supports us.
Even those who just watch us.
Yes, thank you. It might sound small, like, the stuff we might do, it might feel like small, like, oh, I just like that video, that's just it. It might sound small, but it's still a lot. It still means a lot to us.
Like I said, thank you very much. And even the smallest thing, like as I said, even the smallest thing is still very, very big and contributes a lot to us.
As they said, we would like to express our gratitude and like to thank all of you because seriously, especially those who have been like following us since like our vlogging Chipmunk days. Like seriously, I don't know how you've been supporting us for this long, because that's a really like real dedication. So I just like to thank everyone who's been following us. To
My
this.
age back then was just one number.
Oh my god, mine too.